I'll be showing you guys how to change your Facebook page name. Just follow me step by step so you don't miss the process. So for you to do this, it's very simple, guys. Just go to the page you wish to change the name. So if you see right here, I have so many pages right here. So let's assume I want to change this page name, Max International Ibadan. So you have to switch to that page that you want to change the name. So once you switch to the page, click on this hamburger icon up here. Once you click on the hamburger icon, then you go to where you have setting. So this is loading. Come over to where you have setting. Can you see that? Click on setting again. Once you click on setting, then you look for where you have page setup. So just scroll down and look for where you have page setup. Can you see page setup right here? So click on it. Then right here you get to see the name of the page. So just tap on the page name and change it to the name you prefer. So peradventure I want to use Lagos instead of Ibadan. You know, before it was Max International Ibadan, now it is now Max International Lagos. So you click on submit for approval. So let's see if it has been changed. Then go back and go back. So I'll just refresh this page and see if it has been changed. Can you see that? Max International Lagos. So that's basically how you go about changing your Facebook page name. So I believe you got value watching this video. If you did, subscribe to Charles channel also, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.